Start saving energy and reducing your impact on the environment. Visit responsiblebynature.com.
Here at XL Energy, we're committed to finding you the best type of light bulb.
That's why we compared 4 different light bulbs just for you. Let's start with the compact fluorescent.
This light bulb consumed 24.3 watts, the most watts of them all, and also had the least brightness of them all. The voltage was 118.2 volts. This light bulb was 45.7 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot, but not as hot as the other light bulbs. Let's go ahead and assume that an average day is 4 hours. This light bulb's energy consumption is not even 1/10 of a kilowatt per hour. While that may not seem very big, it was the biggest out of all the 4 light bulbs.
Therefore, the cost per day would be 12 cents. The cost per month would be $3.60. The cost per year would be $43.50.
Well, that's right, George. However, this light bulb is not recommended due to its high energy usage and its low results.
The next bulb is the halogen bulb. It used 96 watts, 117.8 volts, and out of the 4 bulbs that we tested, this one was the brightest.
That's right, George, but this bulb was also the hottest bulb out of all of them. It got up to a whopping 83 degrees Celsius. That's enough to burn you pretty quickly. Kilowatts per hour for an average 4-hour day, its energy consumption was 0.384 kilowatts per hour. That's the highest energy consumption out of these 4 bulbs. However, with the halogen bulb, it's worth it. You're getting bright.
Yes. For one average 4-hour day of this light bulb being on, it would cost you 5 cents. Per month, it would cost $1.50. Per year, it would cost $18. That's not expensive. The third bulb we tested was the incandescent bulb. It's also the most original bulb out there.
You got that right, George. This bulb used 94 watts. Its voltage was 113.6 volts. While this bulb may be the most original, it's definitely not the brightest. In a quantitative test, this bulb received a brightness of 0.914. In kilowatt hours, this bulb is the second most expensive next to the halogen bulb. Its energy consumption for kilowatt hours was 0.376.
For an average 4-hour day, this will cost you 5 cents, the same as the halogen bulb. Per month, it costs $1.50. Per year, it costs $18, which is the same as the halogen bulb.
We also hooked up the incandescent light bulb to a dimmer to see if that could save you money.
Yes.
We proved that it could. The lower the dimmer is, it is directly proportional to how much money you can save. If your light bulb is on a very low setting, not very bright at all, it won't cost you as much money. For a 4-hour day, if you hooked your light bulb up, it would cost you 5 cents at full power with the dimmer. However, turn that down 1/5 and you save 1 penny. 4 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents, and 1 cent for the lowest setting of the dimmer.
While this may not seem like a lot, it can be the difference between $18 and $3.60.
That's right, George. Take a look at the data we've collected.
The next light bulb we tested was the LED.
This light bulb used 6.1 watts and had a voltage of 117.9 volts.
Just a little caution, you have a risk of an electric shock, so don't touch it when it's on.
This was the 3rd brightest bulb.
Its heat in Celsius was only 28.2 degrees.
This is a very safe light bulb.
For an average 4-hour day, it will cost you less than a cent. Its cost per month is 6 cents. Its cost per year is 72 cents.
However, don't let these cheap numbers fool you. This light is not very bright.
It also lasts for 10 years.
Yes, that's right, George. It lasts a long time and is very safe. Let's take a look at the bar graphs we've produced, just for you, the customer. The cost per day, cost per month, and cost per year of these differing light bulbs all look the same. But take a closer look at the y-axis and you'll notice that the money values are all different. Now the cost per day tends to be pretty cheap. You can't really run up a bill in a day. However, the cost per year can get to as high as $70. Now, you'll see that the compact fluorescent had the highest cost. The compact fluorescent had the highest cost. The LED had the lowest cost. The halogen and incandescent bulbs are closely tied. This is XL Energy, trying to get you the most out of your money. What should I say?
Peace!